katog. Anyway, hi! I am Abril Grasya and welcome back to my channel! Or if you're new here, welcome. For anything else, please like and subscribe to my channel. Oh my gosh, I really need to think of a good intro. Vlogging is hard man. But yeah, so for today's video, it's going to be all about me. Charot. Today, I will take myself on a date. Char. Yeah, as what you can see on the title, today I will pamper myself because I feel like I deserve it, and I don't remember when was the last time I actually had mani-pedi. No, today, I choose positivity despite the fact na wala pa ko'y tulog. Actually guys, nang laban ako ganina, like, it was, I think, 3 a.m. Nga, niyana na dyan ko nga, di dyan ko katog, so, might as well do something na lang to keep myself, going. Charot. So yeah, mo ito nang laba ko, and manglayhay ko karon, and after ko manglayhay, maligo na ko para mo ito na ko sa city, so that we can pamper ourselves. Hey, cuckoo! Before you guys forget how I look with long hair, just is kamal play dito sa amin sa maglakaw tayad. Covered na agad yan. So, first order of business is kaon sa ta kay makuyapan na ta. After this, kay diretso na ko sa salon, basin sa David's ko. So yeah, kaon sa ako dahil. If you've watched my part 2 of A Week in a Life, makaila ka ni Kat. So yeah, mo ito nag-chika mi ni Kat na lagi gimingaw ko sa feeling nga mag-out og kanang fast food resto nga ako lang, like i-enjoy na ko akong own company, and like anak ko nga there sa Uzamis kay lisod na siya mahitabo kay like everybody here knows everybody, and if like makitaan makita na ko nga kailan ako makana sila nga hello kaluner ana ni kuan oy ni Abril ana and like diyan I can call my friends doon na kay balay ni Christian repeat na ko siya parian or like yeah, I wanna enjoy my own company lang sa jud kay I think that's important na you need to build a relationship with yourself. Anxiety man sa mag-vlog in public eh. I just saw someone nga naka short hair na siya, like maybe this short, and like she looks so sexy and excited na kayo pumapakat sa akong hair. I'm going up now. So, story time. I mentioned on my ito na time zone. So yeah, story time lagi. Diba na-mention ako sa ako ang first vlog sa part 1, if naglanta mo, mention ako nga, ako rin nag-bleach ano akong hair. Why? Because feel ako, kanang mura ko, kanang same ito ng mga surfer chicks sa Siargao ngayon. Ano yung tips sa lang hair, ganun. So, kaysa asta ko ito. Joke na ala di sa ubos ang David. Yung sakay-sakay ako gago. Sumuot siya. Pinaka surfer chick kunohay ko. Baya, mga lagi to. Wala na ako kabaloon sa akong buhaton sa akong hair. I don't wanna dye it. I wanted it to be pink. Pero, di ko marag naluoy ko sa akong hair. And di na ako carry ang or siya og burden ako nga akong gi-carry din ako madasa ako nisang ikaka. I'm not ready to conquer the world. Sure. Now, I'm gonna have ay natin ko by the way sa Gaetano South Wing and magpa-foot spa ko and pedicure. Okay. Nangabali akong nails so di ko magpa-manicure. Magpa-full body massage magkakaroon. Pero apiki na kay arion ako nila Charlie and Christian and nag-wait na lang ko nila dire. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's a prank! The unboxing video of my Macbook Air. So, yeah, just a disclaimer, I'm not here to brag nor to show off na nakingana, but I'm here to inspire you na you can get what you want as long as you work hard for it. Like, if you have the determination to achieve it. Enjoy! Boring ba ito? Ito ni Claro, guys. So, I'm just gonna film my unboxing video. Something arrived yesterday. It's a big ass box. So yeah, let's try to see what's inside it. Charot. It actually came earlier than expected. I'm so speechless right now. Mas happy ko karon pag unbox na ko ni I've always wanted a MacBook, like even an iPad. Then ako ga-expect na MacBook ako mapalit for myself. Oh my god, happy kay ko nung kikilig ko. Kiligun kay ko sa akong self-feed. Kiligun kay ko when I buy myself things. Char. Di ba dito kiligun, no? So, let's try to unbox this. So, let's pull this one. Oh! Cute kong loungewear right now, no? Avril can do. Char. Ito akong suga. Wala pa dyan na record kini full akong phone. Unboxing na. Bisag wala na kayo suga. Huwag ko suga.
contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac.
Tayo sa, uy.
If you'd like to learn to
Tayo
use
sa, day.
VoiceOver to set up
Dito tayo sa,
your Mac,
day.
press the escape key.
Wait, pas kayo siya. Kajut lang, no? So, I'm still trying to figure this out. Okay, mga pabiyadjud po ni pag try dyan ako ano Macbook. Not just no, but yeah. I just wanted you to see my reaction. More to share unboxing video and my reaction video charot. Kay you could see nga happy kay ko, kay like paningkamutan sa ito na ko nga makuan. Kay it was like an investment kay para you know for makastart ng good going YouTube and like for my online class. Yay! Thank you for watching. Bye bye.